Your journey to financial freedom might start with this video. That's said and done. Welcome to Think Beyond Friday Night. I go by the name Dennomatic, and let's start with the unboxing right now. Dennomatic TV, click subscribe, and we are big on wellness, we're big on finance. We bring you products for your wellness. It could be physical, it could be financial, it could be spiritual, right here on this channel, cause you gotta live well for less. Yes, this right here is the electric lunchbox from the company Stillace. Right there, they say that they provide a convenient way. Let me try to zoom in a little bit. Yeah, they provide a convenient way, beg your pardon, for frontline workers, teachers, office staff, field drivers, construction workers to enjoy warm and healthy meals anytime, anywhere. You know, it's been a challenge for most people, of course, to pack food because they're used to the storage of containers that are usual. That's the plastic ones that they take to work right there, and then they spend, of course, sometimes a lot of money when they're not able to cook food. But as I told you in the previous videos, I brought for you a vegetable cutter right there. This time I'm bringing for you a lunchbox that can help you to actually save your food, pack your food right, and you can actually warm it anyway. You don't need to wait for a microwave. So we're about to see what's in this box right here, but before, we need to see the specifications right here. Product name is the Stillace electric lunchbox, model XGN-G08. It uses actually electricity, and we're about to see how it does that. Rated high voltage, that is a DC 12V, 24V, AC 110V, 220V. For those of you that understand power language, you can see what it can be able to use. And the power is 80 watts, I guess, which is 110 voltage, 220 voltage, 24 voltage, 60 watts, also 12 voltage. The materials that are made of this product are stainless steel, this silica gel as well. So we're about to know, are they dangerous to your health or no? The capacity is a total of 1.5 liters, and the dimensions are well stated right there, which is 9.5 by 7.2 by 4.9 inches, which makes it a rectangle right here. So I'm excited to see what's in this box. They say these people say that they provide a convenient way for frontline workers, teachers, office staff, field drivers, and construction workers to enjoy warm and healthy meals anywhere, anytime. So if you've been using plastics to pack your food, and then you need to wait for a microwave, you're in a line at work, you could be working in a warehouse, and then you eat or your break is cut short, I got a solution for you. So here we go. So we have a gray bag, as you can see it there. So we are removing it, as I read for you everything on this box. So made in China right there. Wow. Okay, put the box aside. Wow, I haven't seen this before. I'm wondering if you've seen it. Please comment in the comment section right here. So I'm unzipping its bag. It comes well packed. Look at this. Look at this. Please press valve before opening. Okay. When I look at the instructions for this lunchbox, I can see they say, thanks for purchasing the electric lunchbox. Please read this manual before using the lunchbox. After reading, should be kept for future reference. Of course, I'm going to do that for my viewers. Then the product introduction, we see that it has high quality stainless steel inner, which is 1,500 mils large capacity. Wow. So you can pack a lot of food, right? Then using high temperature resistant environmental materials, the steam device is designed as a round cover, keeping the food fresh. Okay, that's exciting. We're about to see all that in the video. Now, the use of heating elements is safer, more convenient, and energy saving. Okay, so that means we're not going to spend a lot on energy, right? So we see the product structure before we use it. Here is, it has a steam vent, it has a spoon cover, yeah, we're gonna check all this out as they list it right here. So when we look at the steam vent, we're gonna look for the steam vent right here. So I'm gonna take it out first. Wow, so the bag is actually okay, foil material. So that means when you have your food in here, it can be kept warm. You see the material, right? This is the material of the bag. So you can put something in here, like maybe your forks right here, whatever you want, maybe your tissue, your napkins, you put them right there so you can, eat and clean after you've eaten. Look at this. So this is the material. You cannot, wow. Okay. So we've seen the bag, and you can actually, it has very good handles right here. See? Nice. So we put it aside with its box. So we get back to the specifications right here and the manual, because we need to know how does this thing work. So they say it has the steam vent. The steam vent is right here, as you can see it right here. So let me zoom for you a little bit. That's the steam vent right there. So then they say it has the spoon cover. Oh, they are spoons right here. Whoa, they come with spoons right here. This is nice. I like this. Okay, we've seen the spoon cover. It goes right here. I'm gonna put them right here because it looks like they're so special. Wow, this is nice. Nice. Okay, let me cover it right again. Then it has the main body. We were about to see all that. So we're looking at the cover right here. So you can take off the cover. I want to get back to my 1.4. Okay, 1 right there. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Okay. It has the handle. We're seeing the handle right here. Everything that you can press right here. So, and also the lockers. According to me right here, I can see something that is very durable. They took a lot of time to design this. I'd never thought that they could actually manufacture something that heats food like a microwave. This is really nice. Yeah. So if you're watching right now, you can scan the QR code on your screen to get these products, or you can click the link in the description if you're watching from your mobile phone. So this product is very essential, and I'm going to tell you how it's going to help you save money, right? Because you eat food every day, and I've been a victim of people who have spent money every day eating out. $10 for breakfast, $18 for organic food, maybe a salad. That is a lot of money a day, man. That's about $30 a day, So I'm about to save a lot of money for myself, and I push all that money towards my credit card debt. Okay, we're still reviewing. Look at this. It comes with washers. Look at this. So when we talk about wellness is also part of your life. You are supposed to be hygienic, Wow, this is so well thought of. Wow. Okay. Then they bring their business card right here. Okay. With the email. You need any support, everything is right there with transparency. They'll be able to answer you. So far, we've reviewed the cover. This is what we're finding inside. There are sponges to wash your container. And of course, we've reviewed also the bag that it comes with that you can take with you. Now, we're still looking at inside here. We see that they have a silicone steel ring, the fasteners. We've seen all that. Now we're getting down to the main body, right? You see? So here we have the wires. Yo, this is just the unboxing. I'm about to show you how it works. So we have two wires right here. I want to put them aside first because we have to get to the container, because firstly, how does it look like when you open it? So when you open it, this is what we found. They say this is the main container right here. No, the partition, this is the partition. So that means you can put your breakfast right here. You can put your lunch right here. This is so nice. And if I zoom in right here, you can see the product. See, now we are on top. This is how it looks like. We're 10 minutes into the unboxing. Look at this. Electric lunchbox, guys. Look, you can put your breakfast here and your lunch here. So that's just the partition. When we get to the main one, so which means you can pack it either way. You can either pack the main one, right? So if you want all the food in here, you can do that. If you want fruits, you can do that. So this is the partition on top. Let me take it back a little bit. So this is the partition on top. This is the main. I wanna create space right here. This is the main body over this container. Then below, this is where you have the holder and where the heat comes from when you are actually heating it up. So this is where the plugs go. I'm about to show you how it works. So that was the unboxing of the electric lunchbox, and everything that we have read is right there. So what did we find? We found the manual right here with all the sponges. It has actually something special about the knife. I mean about the fork, right? Here they say, on the specs, they say that it's a knife and the fork, right? So I don't know how this is going to be used as a knife. So I think they lied a little bit here when they said knife and fork. I can only see a fork. I don't see a knife. But so far so good. I'm impressed. All the specs are in here, right? And everything that we found on the manual is the way it is in this lunchbox. So we want to count all the components. This is the base. This is the full, the main body. This is the partition. See that? Then we found the sponges right here. Then we found the two wires. So the two wires, actually, one, this looks like a charger for the car, so which means it can go into the car and you can charge and you can warm your food. You can warm this container in your car and eat your food. No more wait in your warehouses for a microwave. And one thing for sure, I really hate warming my food with other people. I don't like using the same microwave with other people. Wow. Okay, this is so interesting. It's very innovative. I just want to thank this company right here. So ladies and gentlemen, I feel that was the unboxing of the electric lunchbox and how it's gonna help you save money. Look at how much money you spend on breakfast. Look at how much money you spend on buying lunch. How about if you prepared everything at home and you use this electric lunchbox and you move with it to your car? You can charge it or you can warm your food in the car, right? And you still eat the same food without spending a lot of money. Look at how much money you're spending and collect it all together and push it towards your credit card debt, right? I told you Dennomatic TV gives you wellness and gives you finance at the same time. More products are to come. Make sure you do share this with a friend, click subscribe, and of course, leave a thumbs up if you liked this video, and the comment section is just for you to give your views. I just want to thank you for watching. Now, catch the next video of how this works. I'm going to prepare a meal and I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to test everything. I'll prepare a meal and I put it in the fridge overnight. And I will later put it in this container and I test it over there or I warm it with the power right here with these wires, whatever. I'll connect it and I show you how it works. And I'll actually use a food thermometer to make sure the food is warm. That said and done, I will also go and use this same cable in my car and I try to warm my food in this container to make sure that whatever they say on this manual is real. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm out for now. Dennomatic TV, big on wellness and finance. Click subscribe. Catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.